Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the background image in Webflow. Whether you're redesigning a section of your website or just want to give your page a fresh new look, knowing how to swap out your background images is a super useful skill. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently update any background image in Webflow and give your site the style you want. So let's jump right in and walk through the process together. Alright, let's say you already have a background image set up in Webflow, but now you want to replace it with something new. Maybe your tastes have changed, or maybe you just want to try out a different vibe for your website. Whatever the reason, Webflow makes it pretty straightforward. First, you'll want to select the element that has the current background image. This could be a section, a div block, or any other element where you've applied a background. Make sure you've clicked on the right one so you're not accidentally changing the wrong part of your site. Just give it a click in the designer so it's highlighted. Think of it like picking up the object you want to repaint before you grab your brush. Now look over on the right side of the screen in the Style panel. Here you'll find the Background section. This is where all the magic happens for background settings in Webflow. If you've already added a background image before, you'll see a little thumbnail of your current image there. Go ahead and hover your mouse over that image. When you do, Webflow reveals a couple of icons that let you manage the image. What we want now is to remove the old background, so look for the little trash can icon that appears when you hover. Go ahead and click that icon. Don't worry if you're not completely sure, you're only removing the background image, not the whole section or element. And if you ever need to get that image back, you can always add it again later. Sometimes this step can feel a little daunting if you're worried about losing your progress, but remember, Webflow is pretty forgiving, and undo is your best friend if you change your mind. With your old image removed, the background area will be empty, and you're now ready to add your new image. Look for the plus icon, usually right next to where the trash can was. Give that a click and a dialog will pop up where you can choose a new image from your asset library or upload one directly from your computer. This is where you can really get creative. Try picking a high-resolution image that fits your brand, or maybe something subtle that doesn't distract from your content. If you're unsure, feel free to try out a few different images to see which one feels right. Webflow's live preview makes it easy to visualize the change instantly. Once you've selected your new image, it'll show up immediately in your preview, replacing the old background. And that's all there is to it. Don't forget to hit publish or check your site preview to make sure everything looks perfect across all devices. Sometimes images might need a bit of tweaking with the positioning or size, so take a moment to adjust as needed. If any part of this feels new or confusing, don't worry, it's totally normal the first few times. With a little practice, you'll be swapping out backgrounds like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your latest Webflow creation, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And remember to subscribe for more Webflow tips and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.